Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-38I, reverse and main shaft. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-38I, reverse and main shaft. Let's click on the template MMGS. Let's get building. Let's save the part. We're on assembly. Nope. 1-38I. It's pretty straightforward, this one. Let's go to right plane, sketch, circle, zip around, mark dimension. It is a diameter of 12 with a length of 222. Feature extrude 222, 222 millimeters midplane, and yes, and zoom out. Okay, now we want fillet 0.125. We want that edge and that edge. Okay, maybe a little bit bigger than 225. Let's put 0.5, see what happens. There you go, that's better. That's better. Okay, so now we want to go to top. Actually, get out of that, get out of that, get out of that. So keep normal 2, then sketch, and we want to place 2 holes in. That's 3 millimeters. So one there, 3 mil. Double check. Yes, 3 mil. 3 mil. And that's going to be 6 mil from the end. So that line there to that one going to be 6 mil. That line to that line is going to be 6 mil. Go out of the sketch. Go out of smart dimension, stay in sketch. Click the center of that one. Oh, wrong way. The center of that one, holding the shift key down, and center that one, and make horizontal. And that is all locked in. Everything's black. There's no blue, yellow, red. So feature, extrude cut, through all, next direction, through all, and done. Because we were top view, we're halfway through. So okay, so that's that done. Not quite. That's that piece of the piece done. Now we want 2 more. I could do these as separate piece and assembly in, but I think I'll just fill those in. So save that one. Okay, so now let's go top plane again. Normal 2. Sketch. And we want that one there. And one there. It's the same size, so they should be locked in. And these are 23. Yes. So feature through 23. Not 223, 222, but midplane. That's where midplane comes in handy so often. And okay, that's that piece done. There's part 1-38I, reverse and main shaft, completed. So thank you for that. If you enjoyed the episode, very short one. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. If you want to see more, click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.